this rolling right along. That was who? That was Israel. Should be the great state of Ohio next. Yes, it is. Okay, welcome back, Buckeye Nation, to your daily COVID-19 analysis report on YouTube and Twitch. By the way, if you're interested in our programming, be sure to stop by my Twitch channel 8 p.m. this evening, which is all about data analytics with R. Okay. The broadcast at 8 p.m. consists of two things, two parts. First part is we read a few pages from Hadley Wickham's book R for Data Science, and then the second part of the thing, we do some data wrangling and data analytics, data visualizations. Currently, we're working with some data sets from a site called Prep and Data, or Data Prep and Data. It's actually a site for Tabular users. There's little quick data cleaning projects that go along with this channel. So we'll finish up one from last night, and who knows, maybe start a second one tonight also. Okay. All right. So anyway, now there is some monkey business going on with COVID-19 numbers out of the state of Ohio, and that is back in February this year, February 2021, the governor's office said, "Oops, we undercounted COVID-19 deaths during the fourth quarter of 2020 by close to 4,000." Now, the first thing that's interesting is they never seem to have a problem counting cases. They have no trouble counting cases 7 days a week, right? Okay, that's the first thing that's curious. The second thing is they said what they did, rather than go back and correct in the numbers for the fourth quarter of last year, they added the missing 4,000, approximately 4,000 deaths on the February 11th, 12th, and 13th. You can see how totally ridiculous it is. It's completely out of proportion to what comes before and afterwards. So what we do here is we replace these three numbers, okay, with the average number of deaths for these 3 days. And this, you can see, this is one of those cases where the average actually works out pretty good. All right. So now we come down and take a look here. Long declining pattern to spring and summer in COVID-19 deaths before immediately climbing back up in mid-July, steeply climbing up. And the question is, how many of these people were vaccinated here, and how many of these people died, if any, of the Delta V variant? Okay. We can come down here and take a look at cases. All right. Again, familiar pattern, long declining pattern in cases all the way down to July. Then July we saw a big increase in cases again before the numbers began to fall off again. Okay. And this is just weekly cases. This just gives us a better picture of the numbers of the trending numbers underneath. Okay. So that concludes the report for the state of Ohio today. I think that's a mistake. We have Portugal, Sweden, and the U.S. still to go. And of course, I'll just mention one more time, another time, my 8 p.m. live stream on Twitch this evening. Again, we're going to read a few pages from Hadley Wickham's book R for Data Science, and then we're going to try to do some data visualization and data and summary statistics for the NBA data set from last night's data prep and challenge. Okay.